Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be looking at a super powerful part of DaVinci Resolve that tends to scare people off at first. We are talking about the Fusion page. Fusion is DaVinci Resolve's built-in tool for motion graphics and visual effects. If you have ever opened up the Fusion page and saw a bunch of blocks and thought, nope, in this tutorial I'll walk you through Fusion step by step. And by the end you'll be creating your first animated graphics like a pro. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. We talk all things DaVinci Resolve, from beginner tips to pro techniques. If you're enjoying this content and want to support the channel, consider buying me a coffee and coffee. The link is in the description below. Every bit helps and it means a lot. Let's jump right in. So what exactly is Fusion? Fusion is a node-based compositing tool. Unlike stocking layers like you do in Premiere Pro or After Effects, Fusion uses nodes like little blocks. Each one does one specific job. One node might bring in your video, another might add text, a third can apply a blur. You connect them in sequence, kind of like a flow chart. It might look intimidating at first, but once you get to understand it, Fusion becomes incredibly powerful. So let's open Fusion and take a look around. Once you're in the Fusion page, you'll see a layout that is different from the edit page. Let's break it down. So top left, you've got the media pool. This is where all your clips, image and assets live. You can drag media directly from here into the node editor. Next to it, you've got the effects library. This is where you find your Fusion tools like mask, generator and 3D shapes. At the bottom of the screen, you've got the node editor. This is your main workspace, where you build your effects using nodes. Each node does one thing and they connect from left to right. Above that, you've got the toolbar. This gives you quick access to the most commonly used nodes like text plus node, merge node, transform node and much more. In the top right, you've got the inspector. This is where you fine-tune settings for any selected nodes. You'll use this area a lot. Now at the top center, you've got the viewer. This is where you preview your work in real time. It can be split into two viewers to compare nodes side by side. Now let's make a simple animation, a text over a video background. Let's start in the edit page. Now in the media pool, I've got this video clip. I'm just going to click on it and drag it onto the timeline. I'm going to get rid of the audio. I don't need the audio. Now I'm going to click on the Fusion icon at the bottom of the screen. Now this will open in the Fusion page. Now you'll see two nodes, a media in one and a media out one. The media in, this is your source video that's coming from the edit page. And the media out, this is what goes back to your timeline. Everything that you create happens between these two nodes. Now let's add some text. Click on the text plus icon in the toolbar and drag it onto the node editor. Now let's bring it all together. Click on the merge node icon in the toolbar and drag it onto the node editor. Disconnect the media in from the media out. Connect the media in to the background input of the merge node. Now connect the text plus node to the foreground input of the merge node. Now connect the merge node to the media out. Select the text plus node and in the inspector type your text. You can change the font, the size and the color. You should now see your text over the video. Let's animate the text so it slides in from the left. Make sure that the play is at the start. Then select the text plus node and go to the layout tab in the inspector. Adjust the center X position to move the text off screen. Then click on the diamond icon to set the keyframe. Now move the playhead to frame 30. Now move the center X back to its original position. Now if you hit play, the text should slide in from the left. Now if you want to smooth out the animation, open the spline editor panel. Click on text, select all the keyframes, and right click and choose smooth. Now that will smooth out the animation for a more natural motion. Now let's do a different kind of animation to make the text look like it's being typed on. Select the text plus node and in the toolbar, click on the rectangle mask. This adds a mask to the text plus node. Now select the mask and in the inspector check invert. Now adjust the width to cover the text. Now make sure that your playhead is at the start. Now click on the keyframe icon for the center. Now move your playhead to frame 30. Now move the center X position until all the text is revealed. Now if you hit play, you'll see the text look like it's been typed on. Again, you can go to the spline editor to smooth out the animation to give you a more natural flow. And that's your introduction to Fusion in DaVinci Resolve. If you have learned anything from this video, please like and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.